In this example file, I want to show you two techniques. One is a parametric surface. As you can see here, by changing these point location, the surface is going to update. Also the mirroring point, which is going to change the overall shape of the surface. The different heights, which I'm going to explain. As you can see here, I can change this. And this one. And also these two number sliders. Just going to define the base surface. And finally, we can bake the surface. So the first technique in the example file is how to make a parametric network surface. After producing the surface, I'm going to show you also an example file of how you can convert that into an hexagon. As you can see here, I can change the number of divisions, a little bit of changing the form of the hexagons. And finally, using the Ngon plugin to make this pattern and joint connection on the hexagons. And as you can see here, these are flat surfaces baked in Rhino. So this example file is based on two techniques. And let's get started and take a look at the example file.